their twilight song at a vivid stroke where the stars belong, breathing gentle life into the stillest light, painting melodies on the edge of night. A world woven out of shadows and grace now finds a heartbeat in this quiet space. The echo of their calls fills the hollow blue, turning every fade into a brighter hue. From the deep horizon to the very nest, a